Hello. At the end of week one, hopefully you enjoyed the overlook of Morgantown. Here are the announcements for the end of the first week of Digital Earth Geography 149 and 150. First, what should you have as the main takeaways from this past week? From the first module, the idea of what geography is, that idea of spatial cognition, understanding that where something happens is important in figuring out why it happened, the importance of place and thinking spatially. From the second module, the distinction between geographic information systems and science. The first of those, the systems being the software, the science being the concepts and theories that make the systems work. Building on that, the different disciplines that contribute to geographic information science. Then we get our application domains from geography, map making from cartography, how to handle information and manage it from information science, working with computers from computer science, and a lot of the analytical component from statistics, the 5 fields that contribute collectively to geographic information science. Looking ahead to next week, we have the next module, Module 3. Its main things starting to pull in from the cartography end, coordinate systems, datums, and projections. Basically, the ideas of where do you put things on a map. So next, in terms of the deadlines, you should have already completed the first day quiz, as well as the first module should have been finished last Friday. The second module is due today, Wednesday, the 2nd of September. If for any reason, especially if you were one of the students who added the class late, you were unable to complete those at their assigned time, I know who added late. Otherwise, please let me know. Late penalties for those of you in that category will start this coming Friday, September 4th. And I'll assess late penalties after that day. Also on the deadlines front, we have Lab 3 coming up, or not Lab 3, Module 3 coming up, due Friday, September 4th, as well as Lab 1 due Friday, September 4th. That leads to the next announcement about technical issues. I know some of you, those of you who have been trying to get the remote desktop access, that has taken, unfortunately, longer than I was expecting. Although you should have received an email from Dr. Toro earlier yesterday about getting that set up, telling you to look for an email from either Robert Phipps or ECAS IT, Everly College of Arts and Sciences, Information Technology Department. As soon as you get an email from that, please respond to get your remote access up and running. At this point in time, it wouldn't surprise me if that delays your ability to finish Lab 1 by Friday, September 4th. If so, please let me know and we will adjust due dates for you at that time. Likewise, if you have been encountering problems installing ArcGIS, let me know. I will try to work you through that, or worst case scenario, we can also adjust due dates and deadlines if you've been having installation problems. Okay, then the other main announcement for the calendar is, even though we are in our distributed, online, not in a classroom environment, Monday, Labor Day, September 7th, is still a university holiday. That means that there is not going to be any class activities. I will not be sending out any announcements. Likewise, I will not have office hours on that day. I will be therefore moving the office hours from Monday, September 7th, earlier to Friday, this coming Friday, September 4th. So I'll have office hours later today, Wednesday the 2nd, as well as Friday the 4th, 12:30 to 2 p.m. I've had people drop in. That's great. Just drop in, ask a question. You don't have to stay the whole time if you only have one question. So that concludes the announcements for Digital Earth. at the end of the first week of classes. I hope everybody is having a good semester so far, staying safe. Good luck, stay healthy, and I will see you later.